How to start up a cooking vlog with AI. Yes. So let me teach you how you can start up a cooking vlog like so.
Hey friends, let's make hot vegetable salad together.
AI generated. All images generated by AI. Text to image, text to video. So yeah, guys, let me teach you how to do your AI cooking vlogs. Okay, so you want to do AI cooking vlogs, you don't want to show your face, but you have things that you want to be cooking and you want to use AI to achieve this. Let me teach you how to achieve your AI cooking vlogs without any cameras around. Yes, no cameras around, no clean kitchen to show, no vegetables that you're cutting, but AI is going to do all the work for you step after step, which means text to image, text to video, scripting, everything. AI is going to do it for you. Hi, my name is Okubuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize your social media platforms, how to work with AI tools, how to make money, and how to grow on social media. So today I'll be teaching you how to do this cooking vlog with AI, popular demand from my comment section. Let's go. Let me teach you how to do these cooking vlogs. Easy. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, what we need to do is we go to ChatGPT to get our script. So I'll click on ChatGPT. I'll open it like this. If you're new, please click on ChatGPT and register on ChatGPT. Very important. Now, when you're done with your registration on ChatGPT, it will open up for you like so. Okay. Now you come to where it says ask me anything. You click there, then you type. So you say give me 3 scenes. Let's just say 3. Okay, 3 scenes. Give me 3 scenes of a lady cooking. So you can say give me 3 scenes of a lady cooking. Let's say a dark skin lady. Okay, dark skin lady, any one of your choice, please. Okay, so I'll say dark skin lady cooking. First scene, her in the kitchen. So her in the kitchen washing, let's say washing veggies, right? Her in the kitchen watching veggies. And another scene of her cutting veggies, right? So we have the first one watching vegetables, then the second one cutting veggies, and the last scene frying. So we say frying veggies. Okay, now this is what we have, right? And I'll say with consistent character of the lady and the kitchen design, because of course we want kitchen design and the kitchen deco. Okay, or the kitchen design, let's just use the kitchen design. Okay, so yeah, like this, because we want it consistent. So I'll click here. Now I'll click on generate and I'll wait for ChatGPT to give me this prompt. So they've given us the prompt. We have this prompt like so. So first thing first, they said here are 3 consistent AI image generation prompt scenes for featuring a dark skinned lady cooking, keeping the character and kitchen design the same. All right, so this is it. So we have the first prompt like so, then we have the second prompt, then we have the third prompt. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll copy this first prompt. I'll copy this, click on copy. I'll go to my image generation app. So for my image generation app, what I'll be using is I'll actually be using the PixelLumen. I'll be using the PixelLumen. So I'll be going now to PixelLumen. Go to PixelLumen, click on PixelLumen. Now, once you get to PixelLumen, it will open like this. If you've not used this app before, please register on this app, okay? When you're done registration on this app, this is how it will look like. Now, the next thing you need to do is to click on Create. Here where it says Create, under here you can see Explore, Create. You click on Create. Once you click on Create, then you paste your prompt where it says, what do you want to draw? Click there, paste your prompt. Click and change your image dimension. Make sure your image dimension is at 16.9, which is a YouTube dimension. Then you click on Generate and you wait for your image to generate. So this is what we'll do to all the prompts. We'll generate the images one after another. Okay? So let's wait for the image to generate and we see if we like this image. Okay. So let's see. I like this one because the tap is flowing. I'll check on the other one. This other one, the tap is not flowing. So I'll take the first one, click on the three buttons by the sides, click, and then you download. Image save, okay? Now I'll go back and copy the second prompt. Take the second prompt. So let's say woman in dark skin, natural curly hair, tied. Okay, same description for the lady. I'll go back. I'll go to PixelLumen again. Generate, click on paste. Once I paste, I'll click on generate. I'll wait for it to generate again. So let's wait and see what we are generating here, or let's wait and see how it comes out. So because we have this, it's gonna be consistent character. So we have the first one. This one has two ladies, and this second one has just one lady. So what I'll do is we generate again because she's not holding any knife, but she's supposed to be cutting. So yeah, this is AI. I'm showing you guys the raw fact of AI. Sometimes you generate an image 2 times before you get it right, or 3 or 4 times before you get it right. Trust me, nobody generates boom and it comes out perfect. Okay, now I'll click on this. Let's see this one. Okay, this one looks good. I like that one. And this one too. So I'll click on this one. I'll take one of these. I'll take this second one. Okay, click and take. Now let me generate the other image. So after we get our images, we are done getting our images. You all know how to get images. Now after you get your images, the next tool we are coming to is the MiniMax AI. MiniMax or Hello AI, okay? This is how it looks like. If you're just a newcomer on this app, you've not used it before, this is how it will look like for you. This is the interface, Hello AI or MiniMax. Now, once you get here and you register on this app, what you need to do is you click on the plus button here. In the middle, there is a plus button. You click on that plus button. When you click on the plus button here, it asks you to upload an image. I'll click on the image icon and I click on photo library. Then I'll take the first image we generated, which was this one. Now we have this image. What I need to do is I'll click on done. We have this image in. It's uploading. Now they say unleash your creativity, share this story here. Now what I'll do is I'll swap up. I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'll go get the prompt that I used in generating this image. So same prompt I use in generating the image is the same prompt I'll use to animate the image as well as a video. So let's go. So now I'll click here and I'll paste that same prompt, okay? So this is my number 1 prompt. First thing first, please. This is what you do. Same prompt for image is the same prompt for video. Don't make mistakes, okay? So yeah, this is what I'll do here. Now, once I get it here like this, you click on this. Now you come down here where you see 30. You click on that 30 to generate. Now, when I click on 30, it shows 1 job in Query. Now, guys, this app will give you 3 coins, 100 coins a day. You can generate 3 videos every day. Okay? Yes, you can generate 3 short videos every day. So make sure your image is consistent. Now, when you're done generating your first image, it takes time. Sometimes it takes like, let's see, Now they said 4 minutes before it generates. Sometimes it takes like 30 minutes. So you generate your image one after each. You put the image, you go and copy the prompt, you put it here. So when this image is done generating, then we move to the next step. So it means you need to know how to generate your images here back to back. Okay? All right. Now wait for this to generate. We see the result, then we move to the next step. So after the generation, this is how the video looks like. Let's see. Oi. So that's the video. You see? That's good. So, okay, I'll paste the next one. And I'll go down here again and I click on generate again. Now, when you're done generating all your videos, your image to videos, then let's move to the next app where we put all our videos together. So let's go. After you're done generating all your images, right? You've turned them into video. Let's now go to put the content together, okay? And make it classy. Now, I'll be using CapCut on this one. I'll click on CapCut. Please, you can use the free version of CapCut, okay? I'll click on CapCut and I click on new project. So when I click on new project, I'll click the images from start, the videos from start to the second to the third, right? So this is my video. This is my mini vlog. Started cooking, washing, and now cooking. Now what do we do? When it comes to this part here, I'll click on audio. When I click on audio, I click on sound fix. I'll type here water, okay? Or tap flow. Water or tap flow. So let's search for water. Water sounds. So something like that. Okay, so we have. So here we put this. This is the tap we use. So that's tap wash. Now the next one is we go to the next sound. We look for cutting board or chopping board. Okay, chopping board. I think that's how they call that thing. I don't know if it's a chopping board or it's a cutting board. But yeah, let's let's use cutting board and see what they give us. Okay, so perfect. So look for the one that matches what she's doing. Her hands, how her hands are going. Okay, this sound is too fast. So I'll remove this one and put, please be vigilant. Very soon you ask me, how did you do this? Okay, this one sound realistic, this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, when we are done with that, I'll click on that, cut halfway. Now the frying sound. Let's go for the frying sound. Frying. Okay, so we'll look for the frying sound. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so you cut it short here and then you delete the part in the back. So you have this water flow, you know. After the water flow, you have the chopping. And when you're done, you have frying. Okay? Yep. Now this is it. When you're done, click up here where you see 480 because it's an AI video. Put it to 180. Okay? Put it to 1080. Then you export your video. Like this now, you click on export. And your cooking vlog is ready. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, like I always say. So yeah, guys, now if don't forget to subscribe. If you've watched till now, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. And yes, I offer lessons. If you want to join my class, my WhatsApp is in my bio. Bye guys.